Good morning, students. So let's continue with the next part of the chapter, electrochemistry. So last time we have seen the concept of electrode potential, and the last equation that we have seen was the calculation of standard EMF of the cell E0 cell, E0 cell is equal to what? E0 cathode minus E0 anode. So today we are going to study one more very important concept, board examination point of view, the electrochemical series. Now the definition of electrochemical series we will understand first. Okay, so electrochemical series is a series of various electrode systems. It is a series of various electrode systems, and they are arranged in increasing order of their reduction potential. As you know that for a given cell there are two types of standard potential. One will be standard oxidation potential and second one will be standard reduction potential. So in the electrochemical series, various electrode systems are arranged in increasing order of their standard reduction potential. So that is a definition for electrochemical series, and the tabular form of electrochemical series you will get, okay, in your text. So just go through it, where you will find various electrode systems are given in a series, and right hand side you will get the E0 reduction values, that is standard reduction potential for each electrode system in that table. So after this we have the features of electrochemical series. Now three important features of electrochemical series we have to understand. First one, in the electrochemical series, wherever you find that for a electrode system, standard reduction potential values are negative. Are negative means they are going to act as anode in the electrochemical cell. Okay, so any electrode system having negative E0 values will act as anode. Second, from top to bottom in the electrochemical series, the tendency to gain electrons increases. Tendency to gain electrons increases. That means the capacity to undergo reduction increases, because what is the other word for this particular process of tendency to gain electron means to get reduced. So the tendency to gain electron increases means the reduction reaction, the capacity to undergo reduction increases. For example, we have lithium in the electrochemical series. Okay, in the table you will find lithium electrode system. Now lithium has a minimum tendency to get reduced, because in the table you will find that lithium is at the top. Okay, at the top, that means it has very less tendency to get reduced. Such metal electrodes, okay, which have less tendency to get reduced, they will always act as a strong reducing agent. Don't get confused with these two terms here. One can ask, lithium cannot get reduced, how it can act as a strong reducing agent? करेक्ट, ये कंफ्यूजन हो सकता है कि अगर वो रिडक्शन नहीं दिखा सकते हैं तो स्ट्रॉन्ग रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट कैसे होगा? Simple explanation here is lithium has less tendency to gain electron, that means getting reduced. That means it can donate electron very easily. Just listen this particular explanation carefully, very important. Okay, it cannot get reduced means it can donate electron, and after donating electron to the species which can accept electron, that means it can reduce some other element. That's why it is going to act as a strong reducing agent. ये आपको समझना है. So third point, if the second point is clear, then third point of course will be clear for you, which is the opposite of the second point. That is, just change the sentence. If we move from bottom to top, what will happen? The tendency to gain electrons, look here, the tendency to gain electron will what? Decrease. That means the element which is at the bottom in the periodic table is having a strong tendency to gain electron, that means get reduced. So it will act as a strong oxidizing agent. See, direct to a strong reducing agent. So fluorine, which is at the bottom of the periodic table in this electrochemical series, it is at the bottom, and that's why it will act as a strong oxidizing agent, because it can accept electrons very easily. That means it will make the other element to oxidize very easily, and that's why fluorine will act as a strong oxidizing agent. After the features, three main features of electrochemical series, next part आता है एप्लीकेशन. एप्लीकेशन में आपको 3 एप्लीकेशन दिए हुए टेक्स्ट में, लेकिन आपको ये एप्लीकेशन कंपल्सरीली पढ़ना है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि ये एप्लीकेशन पे आपको न्यूमेरिकल्स बेस्ड है. दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव टेकन वन प्रॉब्लम, शॉर्ट प्रॉब्लम टू मेक दिस कॉन्सेप्ट वेरी क्लियर. फिजिबिलिटी, डियर स्टूडेंट्स, फिजिबिलिटी, फिजिबल मतलब क्या? सिंपल वर्ड्स में फिजिबल मीन्स पॉसिबल और नॉट. Whenever we have electrochemical cell setup, this is one of the very important condition that chemist has to keep in mind, whether before getting the values for E0 cell, after having a proper setup, in the beginning only one point has to be very clear, whether the redox reaction is feasible in this particular process. Feasible means possible or not. If the reaction is not feasible, then that particular setup is not possible. So how to check the feasibility of the reaction? Theoretically, with the help of electrochemical series table. How? One can find out whether in a given question in board exam, whether the reaction is feasible or not in that particular cell. More precisely, galvanic cell. Let's start. Very important sentence is given. You will find lots of lengthy description in your text. एक ही sentence आपको ध्यान में रखना है concept में. If after calculating the inert cell value, the value if you are getting negative for the reaction, that means the reaction is not feasible, not possible. Reaction is not feasible. Look at this example. This question is given, might be given to you. Cu2 plus 2Ag gives Cu plus 2Ag plus. Moving from left hand side to right hand side, आपको इजीली आइडेंटिफाई करने को आना चाहिए कि कौन सा एलिमेंट ऑक्सीडाइज हो रहा है और कौन सा एलिमेंट रिड्यूस हो रहा है. आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे Cu2 प्लस, और राइट हैंड साइड में क्या हो गया? Cu. Any element which is not showing any charge in its index, चार्ज दिखा नहीं, यहाँ पे चार्ज नहीं दिख रहा है ना, तो यहाँ पे मतलब क्या हो गया? चार्ज, नहीं तो वैलेंसी क्या हो गया? 0. +2 से कॉपर जाता है 0 स्टेट में, मतलब वैलेंसी डिक्रीज हो गया. डिक्रीज हो गया मतलब वो क्या हो गया? reduce हो गया. reduce, this copper has been reduced is also given to you according to the electrochemical series table. The reduction potential for copper half electrode and silver half electrode values are given to you. For copper half electrode, standard reduction potential value is 0.34, and for silver electrode, standard reduction potential value is 0.80 volts. Now the formula also you know, last lecture we have seen how to calculate E naught cell. The formula is E naught cathode minus E naught anode. तो अभी आपको पता कैसे चलेगा कि ये रिएक्शन से कौन सा हाफ इलेक्ट्रोड एनोड है और कौन सा कैथोड है. वेरी इजी, फोकस हियर. नाउ लुक हियर, आपको ये पता है कि कैथोड पे हमेशा क्या होता है, रिडक्शन. कौन सा रिएक्शन, रिडक्शन. ओके, तो यहाँ पे कौन सा स्पीशीज रिड्यूस हो रहा है, दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. ओके, कॉपर 2+ से 0 स्टेट में यार मतलब वो रिड्यूस हो रहा है, मतलब वो हो गया हमारा कैथोड. ओके, और ऑटोमेटिकली सिल्वर क्या हो जाएगा, एनोड. अभी आपको क्या करना है, ये वैल्यू जो आपको दिए हुए कैथोड आपको मिल गया, एनोड मिल गया, सब्स्टिट्यूट हियर इन दिस पर्टिकुलर ओके फॉर्मूला ऑफ E naught cell. कैथोड कॉपर 0.34, सब्स्टिट्यूट हियर, माइनस लिख रहे हैं, माइनस इन ब्रैकेट प्लस 0.80. ओके, फाइनल आंसर आपको क्या मिलेगा, minus 0.46 volts. Very easy. So now you have to tell, okay, you have to write here the final answer. Predict, if they are asking in this question, predict whether for the given cell the reaction is feasible or not. क्या वैल्यू मिला आपको E naught सेल का, -0.46. नेगेटिव वैल्यू मिला ना, तो नेगेटिव वैल्यू मिला मतलब क्या, the reaction is not feasible. The reaction is not feasible. Okay, question of 2 marks can be asked on this particular concept of electrochemical series. Theoretical question they are asking, define electrochemical series and give its two applications. Table they are not going to ask, of course. Okay, a very lengthy table is given there with many values, तो वो आपको नहीं दिए जाएंगे. टेबल में जो आपको हर एक इलेक्ट्रोड के स्टैंडर्ड रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल के वैल्यू जो दिए हुए हैं वो आपको न्यूमेरिकल में यूज करने हैं. दैट आल्सो विल बी गिवन टू यू इन द एग्जाम. सो ओके, नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट concept to revise. So just go through this particular concept. Compulsory question is asked in exam on electrochemical series. Okay, so any doubts you can ask. Okay, that's all for today. Revise well. Okay, and submit your notes timely. So take care, have a nice day.